Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you GEMS English Reader, Class 7, Lesson 5, Scratching the Tiger's Back. Scratching the Tiger's Back is a beautiful poem written by K.K.N. Daruwala. Let me give a brief idea of the poem. In this poem, the poet says that we have misperception about the nature of tiger, that it is very dangerous animal. But it is not like this. Tigers are very calm when they are well fed. They become violent only when they are hungry. They have both evil and good side. Now I start with the explanation of the poem. The poet says that sadly the tiger is in fame for its ferocity and aggressive nature. It is a fearful animal and makes us frightened by its appearance. But it is quite unfortunate. There are times when tigers are too relaxed and lie down at one place. It will not roam around. It wants someone to come near it to love and give it soothing feeling. It will not pounce on other animals as it is lazy. His mood varies with meals. When it is fed well, it is happy and relaxed. It will lie down on the ground and may ask us to scratch his back. As the winter sun becomes soft and soothing, the tiger becomes calm and quiet. By the autumn evening, within the brief moment of the setting sunlight, when the long yellow grass looks like tiger and the shadow of the grass like black stripes of tiger, the poet wants us not to think of tiger with fear at this time, because he will be resting on some river bank. The dream of the tiger will equally be a pleasant one. Its hide will no more symbolize the black and golden daggers. On the other hand, it will seem soft and polite in its behavior. The tiger will not charge at us and disturb our sleep. It will no more be a symbol of ferocity, showing its wildness, pouncing at us. The poet rather says that the tiger will assure his well being and a happy mood as he was being fed well. He will extend a hand of friendship towards human beings and will tell us that he is happy and also a creation of God like us. Here, the tiger wants to describe the identity as the coexistence of good and bad natures. He says that he is also created by God as human beings, and both good and evil characters are in him.